हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने, उस वतन अज़ीम को रहती दुनिया तक कायम रखना. Honorable Chief Guest for the day, Lieutenant Colonel Jeevan Kumar Sharma, Principal Mr. Dilip George, Vice Principal Mrs. Anju Verma, staff members and my dear students, I extend a very warm welcome to the 72nd Republic Day celebration at Doon International School, Riverside Campus. Our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Jeevan Kumar Sharma, who hails from Jammu, graduated from JNU and is an alumni of the Indian Military Academy. Having passed out in the year 2006, he has served in LC, LAC and counter-insurgency environment in Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast. He has served in high-altitude areas of Leh, Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. The officer has been awarded the most motivated officer of the passing out course in the year 2006 by the then President, late Shri APJ Abdul Kalam. The officer has served in various successful operations and has been awarded the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card for the same year, that is 2013. He is a keen sportsman and a writer who's written poems and articles for various newspapers and magazines. It is an honor, sir, to have you here with us today on this special occasion. I request you to hoist the national flag and also address the gathering soon after.
School, stand. Attention! National anthem begins.
शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Good morning, Principal Sir, respected teachers, staff, parents, and my dear students. I take it as an honor to be given an opportunity to host flag and address such an august gathering in such a prestigious school. Firstly, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy and glorious Republic Day. This great day not only reminds us of sacrifices given by our forefathers and freedom fighters for struggle for freedom, but also reminds us of our responsibilities towards the nation. It further reminds us of our dedication and devotions expected from us for upliftment of the nation. I believe All of us don't need to put on uniform or become soldiers or join armed forces to serve our nation. We can serve our nation being a normal citizen also, by doing our work, our job, our task with sincerity and loyalty, and not doing anything wrong. We in Army live a very simple but very disciplined life. We are taught to be punctual, devoted, dedicated, sincere, loyal, etc., etc. But at the end of the day, we are taught to follow orders. I'll just give you an example, and I tell you that it helps. I'll give you a small example. When we were in academy, it was our first swimming period. Swimming, as we do, all of us do. And there is a 10-meter jump also. 10-meter jump is a big thing in academy. It has fear factor in everybody's head. And a person like me, who have seen swimming pool first time, was just afraid of doing, I don't know what to do there. Our instructor asked for volunteers, and as usual, in schools also, and in academy also, we didn't volunteer. So as I was sitting in the first row, he asked me to get up and go on 10-meter board. I just looked my left and right and know nothing what to do. And I went on 10-meter board. Reaching 10-meter board, it seems like it's 100 meter, not 10 meter only. We are supposed to show a check position there. Lock our hand, lock our legs, look straight, open eyes, take our left feet ahead and jump on orders of jump. I was just waiting for his order. Just to tell you, I did nothing. He told jump and I jumped. With my open arms, open legs, closed eyes, I didn't see anything and I jumped. I reached down and I never came back. I never came out of water only. Two instructors dived and got me out. The instructor asked me, why did you come out? I told, sir, I don't know swimming. Then my platoon commander, Captain Saab, came and asked me, Jeevan, when you don't know swimming, why did you jump? I told him, sir, I just followed orders as taught to me. This is one of the incidents. Such small little lessons makes us to go through many things in life. I never had fear of height thereafter. It's 10 meters nothing, I can jump from 100 meters now. And these sort of many other lessons makes us to face enemy, makes us to face any challenges which enemy throws on us on borders, makes us to face bullets which come from across the borders, and makes us to face anything which comes in life, any obstacle which comes in our life. Similarly, I request especially all the kids to follow directions, advices, suggestions and guidelines given by teachers and parents. They will surely help you one day. At that very moment, we don't understand what teachers are saying, what parents are saying, but we understand later. They always think of our betterment, for our liftment and for our better future only. Their guidance means a lot, and I'll say you it really helps. They will help you in facing any challenges which comes across in your life. They'll help you to face anything in your life and you'll surely have better future. Today, the nation demands young bloods, fresh minds, innovative ideas, dedicated and devoted souls for upliftment of nation. And here again, I believe teachers and school plays very important role. I am from St. Peter's and today where I am standing, I give all credit to my school and my parents. Teachers, I believe personally, are nation builders as they create these fresh minds, these innovative, dedicated and devoted souls. So do follow them, do listen to them and do whatever they tell you to do. It will surely help you one day. Today on this auspicious occasion, let us pledge to be a part of corruption-free nation, to work hard for eradicating illiteracy, poverty and unemployment from the country, and work with utmost dedication and sincerity to make our nation a peaceful and a developed nation. After so many days, so many years of republic, we still are considered as developing nation, not a developed nation, and it pinches. and we can make it developed. खुश नसीब हैं वो जो वतन पे मर मिटते हैं, खुश नसीब हैं वो जो वतन पे मर मिटते हैं, मरकर भी वो लोग अमर हो जाते हैं। मैं नमन करता हूं उनको जो वतन पे मिटते हैं, मैं नमन करता हूं उनको जो वतन पे मिटते हैं। उनकी हर सांस में तिरंगे के नसीब बसते हैं, तिरंगे के नसीब बसते हैं। At the end, I would like to wish all the students, teachers, staff and the school all the very best for their future endeavors. Stay healthy, stay blessed and stay happy. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom, appreciation and motivation. Let us commence today's celebration by lending our ears to a medley of patriotic songs brought forth to you by melodious voices of Riverside Campus.
गुजरने वाली हवा बता, मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या? मेरे गाँव जा, मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े तेरा रंग सदा, चाहे मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। We have a vision for tomorrow. Just believe, just believe. We have a goal for Mother India. We can achieve, we can achieve. You and me will do our part. Stand together, heart to heart. You and me will do our part. Stand together, heart to heart. to show the world what India can be. We're going to show the world what India can be. We can achieve, we can achieve, we can achieve, we can achieve.
That was indeed very melodious. The choir group deserves a huge round of applause for this amazing performance. 26th January holds an everlasting place in the nation's memory because it is the day when modern India was born. Chavi Khandelwala, grade 11, will now express her views and share her thoughts on this occasion.
नास्ति म जाति ह, नास्ति म धर्म पंथा, नास्ति व भाषा, नास्ति म राज्य, एको याम परिचयः, एकव्य व्यक्तिताः, भारत माता योः सुता, भारत माता योः सुता. Neither caste nor religion, neither language nor kingdom, only one identity I bear. I'm a child of Mother India. On this occasion of our 72nd Republic Day, I would like to extend my warm greetings to all. The year was 1947. The day, 14th August. The clock struck 12, and while the whole world slept, India celebrated its freedom from the clutches of the British imperialism. The golden bird of the world was finally set free to fly and soar high. Let's fast forward to 26 November 1949, the day which marked the completion of the world's longest written constitution. It took almost 3 years of hard work of the drafting committee to complete its historic task of composing the constitution for an independent India. And then, on 26th of January, 7 decades ago, the constitution came into existence. This day had been of special significance throughout the years. Having resolved to attain Purna Swaraj, our people, the people at that time, had been celebrating Purna Swaraj Divas on 26th of January from 1930 to 1947. And then, on this day, in 1950, we embarked on our journey as a republic, affirming to the principles laid down in our constitution. Since then, every year we celebrate Republic Day on this very day. We as a country have come a long way since then. This day, like many other days, reminds us of all the sacrifices and abnegations made by myriads of freedom fighters and martyrs who laid down their lives to protect us, to make us better. The ones who gave their everything to achieve freedom for their motherland. Our constitution gave us rights as citizens of a democratic nation, but also it placed on us the responsibility, the huge responsibility to adhere to the central tenets of our democracy, that are justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. In the end, I would like to remind you all that most of us, many of you, were born under a free sky. And this is a privilege we must cherish, value, and preserve. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Chavi. It is indeed an occasion to reaffirm our commitment to unity in diversity, fraternity, and equality among all our citizens. Dance is an art and an expression. What cannot be said can be expressed. A dance group will now exhibit their national spirit through a contemporary dance performance.
Oh है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों खेतों में लहरा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबा वाला था। हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
What a tribute to the motherland. Rishita Kohli of grade 12 will now share her thoughts in our mother tongue.
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि, प्रधानाचार्य जी, उप प्रधानाचार्य जी, समस्त शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मेरा हार्दिक अभिनंदन। सदियों शताब्दी के संघर्ष के पश्चात हमें आजादी मिली और आजादी के 2.5 वर्ष बाद जब 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश के कर्णधारों ने भारत के संविधान को लागू किया, तभी से हम पूर्ण रूप से गणतंत्र कहलाए। हमारे देश के सपूतों ने अपनी आहुति देकर हमें पूर्ण स्वराज दिलाया और इसी दिन से हम पूर्ण रूप से स्वाधीन हो गए। उन सभी शहीदों के कारण ही आज हम अपने देश में गणतंत्रता के साथ जी रहे हैं। सबके अधिकारों का रक्षक अपना ये गणतंत्र पर्व है। लोकतंत्र ही मंत्र हमारा, हम सबको इस पर गर्व है। गणतंत्र दिवस भारतीय संविधान का स्थापक दिवस है। साथ ही साथ ये हम सबको संविधान होने का महत्व भी समझाता है। हर भारतीय अपने शासक को आज हर भारतीय अपने अनुसार शासक को चुन सकता है। अगर वह चाहे तो उस शासक को उसके पद से हटा भी सकता है। गणतांत्रिक देश में जनता का फैसला तर्कशील होता है। आज हर भारतीय अपने मौलिक अधिकारों को निडर होकर
निडर होकर, निर्भीक होकर प्रयोग कर सकता है। आज की वैश्विक महामारी कोविड-19 के कारण विद्यालयों में शैक्षिक गतिविधियां पूर्ण रूप से संचालित नहीं हो पा रही हैं, परंतु शीघ्र ही कक्षाओं को आरंभ करने के लिए योजनाएं बनाई जा रही हैं। हम सभी को अपने देश पर गर्व होना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्वदेशी वैक्सीन का निर्माण कर लिया गया है एवं टीकाकरण की प्रक्रिया भी आरंभ हो गई है। 2020 के नए शिक्षा नीति के द्वारा छात्रों को अपने मौलिक दायित्व, मूल्यों एवं बदलते विश्व के नागरिकों की भूमिका और उत्तरदायित्व के प्रति जागरूकता उत्पन्न होगी। अंत में मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम तन और मन से भारतीय हैं। कितनी भी विपरीत परिस्थितियां आ जाए, हम सब उसका मिलकर डट कर सामना करेंगे। और मैं ये अपनी इन पंक्तियों के द्वारा कहना चाहूंगी, वे पथ क्या, पथिक कुशलता है क्या, जिस पर बिखरे शूल न हो, नाविक की धैर्य परीक्षा क्या, जब धाराएं ही प्रतिकूल न हो। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Rishita. We really feel proud to be a citizen of India. Next, we have a solo classical dance performance showcasing and describing how beautiful our motherland is. That was mesmerizing. Moving on to the last event of the day, a beautiful and melodious song by the staff members to fill the charisma in the aura by their voices, to leave an everlasting impact for the rest of the day. I feel the fragrance of being an independent republic in the air. Thank you, dear teachers, for this wonderful song. As the celebrations come to an end, let us all leave this place with a sense of joy. The joy of being a republic, the fruits of which we enjoy today and forever. Jai Hind.